Hi, I'm Andrea Metcalf. Cleaning house doesn't have to be a big task. In fact, you can multitask while you clean and get things done that'll help benefit your life. But there's a few things you need to keep in mind. One, keep a cleaning schedule. Put it on the calendar like an appointment, just like you would your workouts or your business appointments or your kids' soccer practices. Secondly, you want to eliminate clutter from your house. In other words, don't just keep out the magazines and extra clocks and items out. Put the salt and pepper shaker away. Keep things in cabinets. This will give a cleaner appearance overall. And the third most important thing is get some books on audio. This is a great way to get your reading in and your cleaning done. In fact, you might even learn something while you're doing that cleaning. I'm Andrea Metcalf, helping you do it yourself and do it better.